Hey there, it's Ben, a waterfall guy. So right now, Minesville, Hants County. I've been here before. There's a known cave in the karst terrain, but with that new LiDAR layer now, I'm seeing way more potential. So I'm back here. It's winter, so not the best. I can't really see the gypsum mound as well in the woods. Uh, that looks like a cave, doesn't it? But it's actually just like a small opening. I've been here before. I'll still check it out though. It looks good. Yeah, this is kind of a weird opening. I've always wondered about it. Like, it's really kind of square looking. Wonder if people were trying to see what the ore quality was back there or something. Anyways, no caves, no new caves so far. This is kind of my like third karst area in that Minesville area that I couldn't really see before on satellite imagery, but the LiDAR really told me another story. Nothing so far, but I mean, I love the terrain here. It's really cool, really different. I mean, waterfalls right now, they're all frozen, so it's kind of boring. It's not really boring, but you know, I got to do something else sometimes. So this is actually quite a neat area. Oh, there's a little passageway here. Let's try it out. Definitely a tight squeeze right there to get into something. I'm gonna go around this mound. Maybe it comes out down. It's a pretty cool little area. Definitely trail peek it. Yeah, so after spending a lot of time coming up and down these different mounds here, finally found an opening that looks actually like a real cave. So let's go have a look. Absolute huge tree right there, and because it's in karst terrain, nobody's logged here like forever really. And you know what, looks like another cave right down there. I hit the mother lode. Yeah, so I can see it goes down about 20 feet that you could crawl. It could open after that. I'm not going to go in. It's winter. I'm alone, but definitely putting a waypoint on it. So I got two more waypoints in this area that I'm going to hit before I get back to my car, but I'm definitely going to come back here. There's so many mounds of gypsum and small caves and impossible caves. I have to come back in the summer. Let's have a look here just over this ridge. Right on. So yeah, right now it doesn't go deep there, but I can see there's been a rock fall. I can see another passageway right there that you'd squeeze into. This is a true cave. I'm so happy. Never stop exploring.